Namaskar and welcome. आइए था आपसे in the next few minutes we'll be getting the top 24 news of the last 24 hours. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh on January 3 dedicated 28 border infrastructure projects constructed by BRO from Siom Bridge site in Arunachal Pradesh. BRO India has completed 103 infrastructure projects in the 2022 at the cost of rupees 2800 crore. Out of these, 28 projects constructed in 7 border states and UTs at the cost of 724 crore are being dedicated to the nation by the Raksha Mantri. This is the first visit of India's Defence Minister to after the clash between Chinese and Indian Army on December 9, 2022 in the Yangtze in the Tawang sector in Arunachal Pradesh. Big success for Himanta government Save Rhino campaign, as for the first time in many years no rhino posed in Assam in 2022. The gentle giant is much safer in Assam now, as the Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma describes it was a major promise made by the ruling BJP in their election manifesto in 2016 and 21 to safeguard the pride of Assam. The one-horned rhino, it took the saffron party a few years, but the Himanta Biswa-led government in Assam can now take full credit of making Assam safer for the rhinos. There was not a single case of rhino poaching in Assam in 2022. The Border Security Force in Gujarat apprehended 22 Pakistani fishermen and seized 79 fishing boats in the Bhuj district in 2022. The security forces are responsible for securing 826 km of India and Pakistan international border from Barmer in Rajasthan to Rann of Kutch and Creek area, including 85 km of the coastal area of Gujarat. The Madrasa Education Council Chairman Iftikhar Ahmed Javed ensured that the Uttar Pradesh Board of Madrasa had started preparation to provide modern education and religious instruction within the madrasas. Earlier, the Ministry of Education, the Union Government, has already extended its financial assistance to madrasa to develop their education standard in as many as 18 states. Unidentified miscreants pelted stone on the newly launched Howrah NJP Vande Bharat Express on January 2. The second day of its commercial run, stones were pelted at the Vande Bharat Express, which was going to New Jalpaiguri towards Howrah. Initially, the stone fell on the C13 coach of the Vande Bharat near Kumarganj station at around 5:10 pm. According to the reports, because of that, the glass of the door of the compartment was broken. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated 108th India Science Congress through video conferencing and gave an address on the theme Science and Technology for Sustainable Development with the Women Empowerment. He pointed out that the efforts of science can bear fruit only when they are taken from labs to the land. Delhi High Court has directed the city government to ensure free food and medical treatment to HIV positive persons living below the poverty line and strictly comply with the laws dealing with the affected person's grievance. The court's order was passed on a petition by the person suffering from HIV, AIDS, or other multiple disabilities and ailments and had been abandoned by their families and were without shelter. There is a new twist in the Delhi accident case, with police revealing that victim who died after being dragged under the car was not alone at the time of incident. The fresh CCTV footage before the accident shows 20-year-old Anjali seated on the back seat of the scooty that is being ridden by her friend Nidhi. The visuals were recorded before the brutal accident took place. The CCTV footage shows that the accident victim in pink clothes and her friends in red clothes. In Jharkhand, a man was allegedly beaten up by 5 people using sticks and stone in Radhanagar village in Jharkhand Sahibganj for refusing to consume alcohol and beef. Chandan Ravidas in his complaint said that on New Year Eve he was thrashed by 5 men for refusing to eat red meat. He has accused Mithun Sheikh and 4 others of physical assault. He was allegedly stripped naked too. Kerala Minister MB Rajesh sparked new controversy after he said that Adi Shankaracharya was an advocate and spokesperson of the caste system. The minister made these remarks when he was speaking at a program at the Varkala Savigri Mutt. He was comparing Adi Shankaracharya and Sri Narayan Guru and said that if Kerala has an Acharya, it is Sri Narayan Guru and not Adi Shankaracharya. He said that Shankaracharya not only supported the caste system but has also been its spokesperson. A Pakistani intruder was shot dead by the BSF in Gurdaspur sector along the India-Pakistan international border in Punjab on Tuesday, officials said. The infiltration bid was detected at around 8 am. The BSF team observed that a suspected movement of an armed Pakistani intruder who was approaching BSF fence from the Pakistani side. The suspected intruder was challenged and neutralized by the BSF troops. A bombshell has been found in Kansal village in Punjab, which is very close to the helipad used by CMs of Punjab and Haryana. Meanwhile, a bomb disposal squad had reached the spot and the area was cordoned off. Afghanistani leader shames Pakistan by sharing a pic of Pakistani army surrendering to Indian army after 1971 Bangladesh Liberation War. Pakistan has historically followed a strategic depth policy towards Afghanistan, whereby it attempts to control the country as a political pawn and strategic held vis-a-vis India. In Pakistan, amid growing security threats, Chinese engineers suspend work on the hydropower projects under CPEC. Notably, the team of Chinese engineers working on the 84 megawatts Militan hydropower project is suspended the work and moved to Islamabad in July 2022 due to the security situation. There is Jungle Raj in Bihar today. There is no law and order in the state. The time has come when the BJP should lead the state, says BJP National President JP Nadda at Paru in Muzaffarnagar district. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to interact with students and teachers and parents in the upcoming edition of the Pariksha Pe Charcha on January 27, says Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. Supreme Court says that no additional restriction other than those prescribed under Article 19(2) of the Constitution can be imposed on a citizen under right to freedom of speech and expression. Statement made by the minister can't be viciously attributed to the government, says SC. We had agreements with China not to mass forces in our border areas and they have not observed those agreements, which is why we have currently tense situation. We had an agreement not to unilaterally change the line of control which they have tried to unilaterally do, says EM S. Shankar. As of now, no second COVID-19 booster dose is required, said government sources amid the apparent increase in COVID-19 cases. First, we have to complete the booster drive in the country, said the government sources. After the mobility agreements with the UK, France, Germany and Finland, India on Monday signed a comprehensive migration and mobility partnership agreement with Austria for migration and mobility of Indian students and professionals. Captain Shiva Chauhan of Fire and Fury Sappers became the first women officer to be operationally deployed in Kumar post completion of ARDUS training at the highest battlefield of the world. Former Research and Analysis Wing Chief A.S. Dulat joins Congress MP Rahul Gandhi during the Bharat Jodo Yatra in Delhi. Union Minister Anurag Thakur slams Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi, says she gave slogan Beti Hu Lad Sakti Hu during the UP election, but she was nowhere to see when there were atrocities against women in the Congress-ruled states. People can now change the address on their Aadhaar card without the use of official documents, according to the new regulation by the Unique Identification Authority of India. Under the new rules, a person can change their address on the My Aadhaar portal with the consent of the head of the family. To get this facility, people will need to just two things: a document with the proof of the relationship between the applicant and the head of the family, and an OTP based authentication by the head of the family. The document can be in the form of ration card, marriage certificate, passport, etc. We will be back with news at 9 tomorrow. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel.